gold wire roller, once a cornerstone of fine craftsmanship, lies dormant, its brilliance hidden beneath decades of wear and rust. Today, we breathe life back into a tool that shaped treasures. Every component tells a story of precision, patience, and a jeweler's unyielding pursuit of perfection. This restoration is not just mechanical, it's a tribute to the artistry of the past. Through meticulous care, the roller emerges from the shadows, ready to create beauty once again. A tool of creation, a legacy revived. This roller stands as a testament to the timeless dance between art and utility, reviving the tools of creation, honoring the artistry of generations.